Hello, there's Patricia from Pinky's World. I had a card and a nice wee album to make for my son's friends who got married recently in Italy. And I wanted to do something extra special for them. So I used a photograph for their card, and all the photographs in their albums. The papers are from this lovely set, Anna Marie Designs. Gorgeous. I've had it for a good wee while and I hate using it because it's going to go down on me. But I used lots of flowers out of Moustache, oval punch. Did this on the computer. Butterflies are from Stampin' Up, and I punched some leaves and added some of this nice, I can't remember what you call it, but it's lovely, like an icy thing. So on the inside I used another page and then just did their verse on the computer. I did add stitching around both squares of paper, and I'm going to put the whole lot inside. Oh my goodness, we have a storm going on out there. Inside an organza bag so it'll look nice and pretty. The card is a wee bit bulky for an envelope on it. I don't want to start making a box one. So I'll show you the wee album. This album, I got these set of days. Alina Cuttle, she's actually online here on YouTube if you want to check her out. You buy these through Amazon. She's loads of lovely days, and it just makes this wee tiny tag book, and she's not that dear, so check her out if you fancied making. They're lovely for Christmas time, even if it's something small. You can see you can make it as thick or as thin. I think I actually made mine wrong first time out, but it worked okay for me, you know. So again, I used those papers and I used the wee like buckle type closure. I've added their photograph and again the wee flowers, leaves and a bit of tulle just to make it all wedding-y looking. So inside I've lots of their own photographs, and I've made nice wee tags throughout with nice sentimental sayings, and I've made wee pockets to pop them in. Again, family, more photographs. Those papers are gorgeous. Like, I love those papers. I'm going to have to look for another one. I've added some wee sentiments. Some of them I typed out and just added in place, and just rounded all the corners of their photographs. They had a beautiful wedding. Like, they had really had a lovely, warm, sunny wedding. Again, more sentiments, nice photographs right through. She has one pocket, the lady, I can't remember her name, probably Alina something. She uses one corner, but my tag kept falling out, so I decided to double it up and put two wee corners in there. And just followed that throughout the book. Lots of wee inky edges, bits of ribbon, finished wee flower there. I didn't want to put the sentiment with the sentiment, so I thought this was just perfect for them. And I think they're going to be happy enough. So the whole lot will hopefully slide into this organza bag. I'm sure it will, won't it? Fingers crossed. But isn't it so pretty? I added lots of Wink of Stella, and it's so sparkly in real life. I'm hoping they enjoy it. Now, fingers crossed I can get this in here. Yep, it's looking good. This is a 6.5 inch, just over 6.5 inch card, so a wee bit bigger than the normal envelopes that you buy. And I really had only a big giant one, which I didn't really fancy doing, and then I remembered I had these, so you can just close that up. They can sign the card and whatever, and that's their nice wee gift. So thanks for watching. Go and check her out. I'll try and link her below so that you can go and check her days. Very reasonable to buy and lovely to work with. And she gives you a nice video to follow if you get stuck. So thanks for watching now. Catch us later. Bye.